What's the meaning of awe-inspiring? Awe-inspiring. Awe-inspiring.
Awe-inspiring. Awe-inspiring. The phrase, awe-inspiring, is used to describe something that creates a strong sense of respect, admiration, or fear in the observer. It refers to an experience or object that inspires a feeling of wonder and amazement. This feeling can stem from a variety of sources, such as grand natural landscapes, incredible architecture, or stunning works of art. Awe-inspiring experiences leave a lasting impression on the viewer, often leaving them feeling a sense of reverence and humility in the presence of something greater than themselves.